Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Waze live traffic app. So let's get started. So here we will just open the Waze app. Okay. So from here, first of all, you have to log in with your ID. Okay. Then I will just do continue. For example, okay. As you can see here, the app is loading. So here you can see it. So basically this tells the live traffic in our location and it can be very useful for many times. Okay, so here you can see my current location. Okay, it will tell my speed and all other things and the traffic and many other things. So this is how to use your Waze live traffic app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.